Hi friends, today we'll discuss a few more important questions taken from the previous bank exams. The agency which is tasked with collecting, analyzing and disseminating information related to WS financial transactions is FIU, Financial Intelligence Unit. Financial Intelligence Unit major activities: report the suspicious transactions, information related to money laundering and financing of terrorism, monitoring and analysis, complaints and prevention, informational cooperation and data exchange. And FIU situated in New Delhi, Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue, FIU. The record of all economic transactions between the residents of the country and the rest of the world in a particular period is known as balance of payments. The balance of payments of a country is the difference between all money flowing into the countries in a particular period and time and the outflow of the money to the rest of the world. For example, for 1 month, what are the amount is going from India to other countries, all other countries, and the same month, what are the amount coming from the all the countries to India. This is called the inflow and outflow. So whatever the difference is the balance payment. Sometimes we'll give money to the other country, sometimes we'll get currency from other country to India. You can see in my screen. So what are the inflows and what are the outflows? If inflow is less than the outflow, then it is a deficit. Which of the following organization has recommended that financial literacy should be made part of syllabus from high school itself? By Securities Exchange Board of India. For which of the following purposes can semi-closed system prepaid cards issued by banks not to be used? For withdrawal of cash from the ATM, you can't use these cards. What does the letter I stands for in the SFIO? Serious Fraud Investigation Office. What are the major activities of SFIO? The SFIO organization established under the control of Ministry of Corporate Affairs for investigation and prosecution of white collar crimes. SFIO was constituted in July 2003 following the recommendation of the Naresh Chandra Committee as recommended for the SFIO. It is found in 2nd July 2003, headquarters in New Delhi. Present director is Keshav Chandra, managed by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. What does the letter S stands in FSDC? Financial Stability and Development Council. What are the major activities of FSDC? Financial Stability and Development Council is an apex level body constituted by Government of India. Apex body means it is a separate body. To create such a super regulatory body, first mutated by Raghuram Rajan Committee in 2008. These Financial Stability Development Council recommended by Raghuram Rajan Committee in 2008, founded in December 2010. To strengthen the institutionalized mechanism to maintaining financial stability, enhancing inter-regulatory coordination and promoting financial sector development, to monitor micro-prudential supervision of economy, it assesses the functioning of the large financial combinations. To double farmers' income by 2022, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs recently approved that creation of Fisheries and Agriculture Infrastructure Development Fund. Which of the following bodies organization will serve as its nodal agency? A National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, National Cooperative Development Corporation, scheduled banks. Under the existing norms in India, external commercial borrowings can be raised as loans, floating rate notes, fixed rate bonds, securitized instrument, buyer's credit, supplier's credit. Through these channels, you can raise the external commercial borrowings. Loans in India made by non-resident lenders in foreign currency to Indian borrowers are called external commercial borrowings. Loans will be money given to another party. Floating rate notes, fixed income security that pay a coupon fixed by periodically. Fixed means your coupon rate will be given periodically, same rate. Floating means whatever the rate will be keep on changing in a fixed intervals. Securitized instrument means these instrument will be supported by a security. These securities will be taken as a mortgage. Buyer's credit. Buyer's credit is a short-term credit available to an importer from the overseas lenders such as banks and other financial institutions for the goods they are importing. So buyer's credit means if you are importing some goods from the outside India, banks and financial institutions, they will give the money. Supplier's credit means if you are supplying goods to the other country, then banks will finance these transactions also. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.